Hello friends, I am Gauri Boite, Assistant Professor in First Year Department, VPKBIT Baramati. I welcome you all to my video lecture of subject Engineering Mathematics 1. Today topic of my video lecture is indeterminate form. So this is the topic under differential calculus. So what we see in this lecture, so what is indeterminate form? Then how to evaluate limit of indeterminate forms by using L'Hospital rule and some examples based on that. So first, while we dealing with limit of function of the type f of x upon g of x, at that time we always occurs with the limit of this type. Suppose limit extending to 0 sin of x upon x. So when I substitute actual value of this limit x is 0, what I am getting? Sin 0 is 0 upon x is 0. So 0 by 0 form. Or limit as extending to 0 1 by x raised to x. So limit of this is 1 by 0 raised to 0 means infinity raised to 0. So such forms are known as indeterminate form, and we can convert this limit of indeterminate form into finite limit. So there are total 7 indeterminate form: 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, then 0 into infinity, then infinity raised to 0, 1 raised to infinity, or 0 raised to 0, and infinity minus infinity. Okay, so these are 7 indeterminate forms. Now we can find out the limit of 0 by 0 form. If the indeterminate form is 0 by 0 form, then we can find out the limit of this indeterminate form into finite limit by using L'Hospital rule. And remaining all types of limits we can rearrange into 0 by 0 form, and we can find out it also the value of limit is finite. So first we see what is L'Hospital rule. So if f of x and g of x are two differentiable functions such that f of a is 0 and g of a is also 0, that is limit as extending to a f of x is 0 and limit as extending to a g of x is 0. Then limit as extending to a f of x upon g of x is 0 by 0 form. If limit as extending to 0 f of x upon g of x is 0 by 0 form, then by L'Hospital rule, the value of limit as f of x upon g of x as extending to 0 is same as value of limit f dash of x upon g dash of x as extending to a. Okay, so this is the L'Hospital rule. If value of limit f of x upon g of x is 0 by 0 form, then value of this limit is same as limit of derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. Okay. Now, if this limit is finite, if this RHS is finite, then we are getting our finite limit. If it is again in 0 by 0 or indeterminate form, then we apply again L'Hospital rule till to get finite limits. Till to get finite limit. Okay. So here f of x upon g of x limit as extending to a is f dash of x upon g dash of x limit as extending to a. And if it is again 0 by 0 or indeterminate form, we continue differentiating numerator and denominator and finding the limit till to get finite limit. Okay. So there are some standard results we can see to find out the limits. So first, limit as extending to 0 sin x by x is 1. Limit as extending to 0 tan x by x is 1. limit as extending to 0, sin inverse of x upon x is 1, and limit of extending to 0, tan inverse of x upon x is also 1. So we are using all these as a standard result. But these also results we are having from L'Hospital rule. So just I will prove first result. Prove that limit as extending to 0, sin of x upon x is 1. So what is my limit? L is given. Limit as extending to 0, sin of x upon x. When I substitute x is 0, it is 0 by 0 form. So I apply L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? We see in previous slide. L'Hospital rule is, if limit of f of x upon g of x is 0 by 0 form, then limit of f of x upon g of x is limit of f dash of x upon g dash of x. So in this way, this L is equal to limit as extending to 0. Derivative of numerator, derivative of sin x is cos x upon derivative of x is 1. So cos 0 is 1 upon 1. So value of limit is 1. So therefore, by using L'Hospital rule, we prove this limit of sin x upon x as extending to 0 is always 1. Now we are using, you can prove the remaining part as a exercise, and we are using all this as a standard result. Similarly, we are using these results also. Limit of extending to 0, 1 plus x raised to power 1 by x is e. Limit as extending to infinity, 1 plus 1 upon x raised to x is e. Then limit as a raised to x minus 1 upon x is log a. Limit as extending to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x is 1, and limit as extending to 0, sin hyperbolic x upon x is also 1. So if we having this limit, we are writing directly value of this limit. So we are using this as a standard results. Now how we apply this L'Hospital rule? What is the rule to evaluate the limit? If the limit of function f of x upon g of x as extending to a is in the form 0 by 0 form, then we apply L'Hospital rule one times. If it is again in 0 by 0 form, then we repeat it number of times until we get finite value of limit. Okay. So when we apply L'Hospital rule, if indeterminate form is 0 by 0. Now limit as extending to 0, f of x upon g of x is infinity by infinity. Then by using some substitution or rearranging the terms, we can convert this limit into 0 by 0 form also. So we can also apply L'Hospital rule if f of x upon g of x is infinity by infinity form also. So therefore, I write more general L'Hospital rule. If limit of function f of x divided by g of x, function is of the form f of x upon g of x, and limit as extending to 0 is either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, then value of this limit as extending to a f of x upon g of x is same as limit as extending to a f dash of x upon g dash of x. Okay. Again, suppose this limit is either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then value of this limit, we apply L'Hospital rule, it is f double dash of x upon g double dash of x, and we repeatedly apply L'Hospital rule till to get finite limit. So what is? If limit of f of x upon g of x as extending to a is either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then limit as extending to a f of x upon g of x is same as limit of f dash of x. That is derivative of numerator upon derivative of denominator, limit as extending to a. Now we solve some examples using L'Hospital rule. So this is evaluate limit as extending to 0, 1 plus x raised to n minus 1 upon x. So first let L is given limit as extending to 0, 1 plus x raised to power n minus 1 upon x. Now here when I substitute x is 0, it is 1 plus 0 raised to n, that is 1 raised to n minus 1 upon x is 0. So 1 minus 1 again it is 0 by 0. So value of L we are getting 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule. So by L'Hospital rule, limit of f of x upon g of x is limit of f dash of x upon g dash of x. So f of x is 1 plus x raised to n minus 1. So what is its derivative? N times 1 plus x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. Divided by derivative of x is 1. And limit as extending to 0. So substitute x is 0. So what we get? N times 1 plus 0 raised to n minus 1 upon 1. 1 raised to anything is 1 into n. So value of this limit L is 1. So therefore value of this is L is equal to n. Now let us simplify another example. Evaluate limit as extending to 0, e to the power ax minus e to the power minus ax upon log of 1 plus bx. So let given limit L is limit as extending to 0. Numerator is e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax upon log of 1 plus bx. Okay. So this is of the type f of x upon g of x function. This limit is of the form limit of f of x upon g of x as extending to 0. Now substitute limit value x is 0 and find out the value of L. When I put x is 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So e raised to 0 minus e raised to minus 0 upon log of x is 0 means log 1. So e raised to 0, that is 1 by 1 upon log 1 is 0. So it is 0 by 0 form. So we get L is 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule. So it also pronounced as L'Hopital's rule. So by using L'Hopital's rule or L'Hospital rule, L is limit as extending to 0. Derivative of numerator. What is the derivative of e raised to ax is a times e raised to ax minus. Derivative of e raised to minus ax is minus a times e raised to minus ax upon g dash of x. Derivative of this is limit of this is, if it is 0 by 0 form, then limit of f of x upon g of x as extending to a is limit of f dash of x upon g dash of x. So what is f dash of x? A e raised to ax minus a e raised to minus x. Now g of x is log of 1 plus bx. What is its derivative? Derivative of log is 1 upon 1 plus bx into derivative of 1 plus bx is b. So simplify this. X is 0. So it is a minus plus e raised to 0 minus minus plus 8 times e raised to minus 0 upon b by 1. So it is e raised to 0 is 1. So it is 2a upon b. So value of this limit is 2a upon b. Okay. So once we get 0 by 0 form, we apply L'Hospital rule. So finding derivative of numerator upon derivative of denominator. Again substitute the value of limit. If we get finite limit, we stop. Okay. So next example. Evaluate limit as extending to 0, x square plus 2 cos x minus 2 upon x into sin x. So L is given as limit as extending to 0. Numerator is x square plus 2 cos x minus 2 divided by denominator is x into sin of x. Now substitute first x is 0. So numerator is 0 plus 2 times cos 0 is 1 minus 2 constant upon x is 0, sin 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is again 0. So it is 0 by 0 form. So L is 0 by 0 form. We can apply L'Hospital rule. So what is L'Hospital rule? It is limit as extending to a, f of x upon g of x is 0 by 0 form. Then value of this limit is limit of f dash of x upon g dash of x. That is derivative of numerator upon derivative of denominator. So limit as extending to 0. What is my f of x? X square plus 2 cos x minus 2. Now what f dash of x means is derivative. So derivative of x square is first 2x. Derivative of 2 cos x is minus 2 sin x. And derivative of constant term is 0. Divided by x into sin x. Derivative of it is u into v rule we are using. So x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus derivative of sin x. Sin x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So x cos x plus sin x. Again I substitute value of limit x is 0. So what we get? L x is 0. So this term is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So numerator is 0. Denominator x is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So again we are getting 0 by 0. So again we apply L'Hospital rule. So L is equal to limit as extending to 0. Derivative of again this numerator. So 2x derivative is 2 minus 2 times cos x divided by x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus derivative of sin x is plus cos x. Okay. So now I substitute the limit x is 0. So it is 2 minus cos 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 divided by this term is one more term we are getting plus derivative of cos x as it is derivative of x is 1. So it is 2 cos x. But again here it is cos 0 is 1. So 2 by 2 minus 2 that is 0 by 1. So it is 0. And therefore value of limit is 0 and required answer is 0. Okay. So when we stop, once we get finite limit, we stop our, this is our required value of limit. Now, next type of examples contains some value of unknown p or variable, and what is given? the limit is finite, then we have to find out the value of p and hence find the value of limit. Okay. So first start with given function. So what is given? So limit L is given as limit as extending to 0 sine of 2x plus p times sine of x divided by x cube. Okay. So if I substitute x is equal to 0 here, and what is given another thing, this L is finite limit. So we have to find out this value of constant p and then value of limit also. So substitute x is 0, so sine 0 is 0, p times sine 0 is 0 divided by x is 0, so x cube is 0. So L is 0 by 0 form. So we apply L'Hospital rule. So what is L'Hospital rule? Limit of L as extending to 0 is same as derivative of numerator upon derivative of denominator. So what is derivative of numerator? Sin 2x derivative is 2 cos of 2x plus p constant, derivative of sin x is cos x upon x cube is 3x square. Okay. So this is value of f dash of x upon g dash of x. Now I substitute x is limit 0 here. So what we get? L 2 times cos 0. So cos 0 is 1 plus p times cos 0 upon x is 0. So 3 into 0. So what we get? 2 plus p upon 0. But what is given? L is finite. L is finite, and suppose here some a by 0 is finite. What it implies? A must be 0. Otherwise it become, if a is non-zero, then a by 0 is infinity. Then a by 0 become infinity. So if L is finite, so what it implies? 2 plus p must be equal to 0. Otherwise the value of L become, if 2 plus p is non-zero, L become infinity, but L is given finite. So 2 plus 0, that is numerator must, this limit must be 0 by 0 form. So 2 plus p must be 0, and what it implies? P is equal to minus 2. So in this way we get value of p. Now I substitute this value of p in this equation 1 and I find out the value of actual limit L. So what I having? L, we get p is equal to minus 2, and L we are getting limit as extending to 0, 2 cos x plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x plus p cos x upon 3x square. So I substitute p is minus 2, L become limit as extending to 0, 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos x upon 3x square. When I substitute x is 0, so cos 0 is 1, so value of L become 2 minus 2 upon 0, that is 0 by 0. So again we apply L'Hospital rule. So what we get? L is equal to limit as extending to 0, 2 cos 2x derivative is minus 4 sin 2x minus 2 cos x, so it is plus 2 sin x divided by 6x. Okay. So when I substitute x is 0, sin 0 is 0, so numerator is 0, denominator x is 0, denominator is 0. So again we get 0 by 0 form. So by L'Hospital rule again, L is equal to limit as extending to 0. Derivative of numerator. Minus 4 sin 2x is minus 8 cos of 2x plus 2 sin x is 2 cos x divided by 6. Now substitute x is 0. So cos 0 is 1. So what is the value of L? It is minus 8 times cos 0 is 1 plus 2 times cos 0 is 1 upon 6. So minus 6 upon 6, so which is minus 1. So value of limit L is minus 1 we get, and value of P we get minus 2. Okay. So in this way, if there is indeterminate and limit is finite, so we always compare finite limit with 0. Denominator is 0 means numerator also 0. Otherwise it is infinite. Okay. Now we see next type of example. So L is given limit. Evaluate the limit extending to 0, log of tan 2x upon log of tan x. So limit as extending to 0, log of tan of 2x upon log of tan x. Now substitute x is 0, tan 0 is 0 and log 0 is minus infinity. Here tan 0 is 0, log 0 is infinity. So this limit we are getting infinity by infinity. Okay, minus minus infinity, and we are getting minus minus plus. So we can apply L'Hospital rule also for infinity by infinity form, as I told you. So therefore we apply L'Hospital rule. So L is limit as extending to 0. What is the derivative of numerator? It is of the type g of f of x. So its derivative is first g dash of f of x into f dash of x as a chain rule. So derivative of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x, that is 1 upon tan 2x, and derivative of tan 2x is 2 sec square 2x. Okay, so this is my f dash of x. Now derivative of denominator, log of tan x, 1 upon tan x into sec square x. I simplify it, rearrange, limit as extending to 0, 2 sec square 2x upon tan 2x into 1 upon this sec square x into tan of x. Okay, so I rearrange it. L, limit as extending to 0. This tan of x, this tan x item take here, into this 1 upon tan 2x, and I purposely multiply divide by 2, and one more 2 is there, so I rearrange here, into 2 sec square, only 1 sec square 2x upon sec square of x. Now we can separate this limit over multiplication. So limit as extending to 0, tan x upon x is 1. Here also limit as extending to 0, x upon tan x, or this theta is 2x. So tan 2x upon, I write this 2x is 1 upon 2x. So value of this limit is 1, this limit is 1, and sec 0 is 1, sec square 2x is 1. So value of this limit is 1. Okay. So whenever limit is infinity by infinity form, then also we can apply L'Hospital rule directly. And if such multiplication terms are there, limit tan x upon x, so we can separate the limit over multiplication but not addition. So value of this limit is 1, this limit is 1, this limit is 1. So value of L is 1. Okay, so we stop here. Thank you and happy learning. So in next video lecture I will solve examples on infinity minus infinity and 0 into infinity form. So watch my video lecture and subscribe my channel. I will share the link in chat box or comment box. So thank you once again. Happy learning.